Welcome to the world of academic writing with Chat GPT. Discover how AI can revolutionize your writing process and elevate your academic work to new heights. From generating ideas to rephrasing text, Chat GPT offers a wealth of tools and features to enhance your writing. This video provides 15 ideas of Chat GPT applications in academic writing. 1. Generate ideas and outlines. Chat GPT can help you quickly generate ideas and outlines for your academic writing. Simply provide a prompt, and the AI will do the rest. 2. Rephrasing rewording texts. Chat GPT can assist you in rephrasing or rewording texts to make them more concise, clear, and effective. 3. Expand ideas and concepts. Use Chat GPT to expand and elaborate on your ideas and concepts, making your writing more comprehensive and in-depth. 4. Summarize big texts. Let Chat GPT help you summarize long texts into concise, easy-to-read summaries. 5. Enrich vocabulary and synonyms. Enhance the vocabulary and synonyms in your writing with Chat GPT's natural language capabilities. 6. Professional spelling and grammar corrector. Let Chat GPT be your personal grammar and spelling checker, ensuring your writing is professional and error-free. 7. Specific tone or style. Chat GPT can write in a specific tone or style to make your writing unique and personalized. 8. Avoid duplicate words. Chat GPT can identify and replace overused words in your content, giving it a new look. 9. Find top 5 best papers. Use Chat GPT to find the best papers in your specific research field with references. 10. Summarize key takeaways. Let Chat GPT summarize a paper's key takeaways, making it easier for you to understand and use in your own writing. 11. Write in a specific style. Chat GPT can help you write a piece of writing in a specific length, style, or topic. 12. Check for plagiarism. Make sure your writing is original by checking it for plagiarism. 13. Check for validity and logic. Chat GPT can generate correct and valid text, but always make sure to check the argument's logic and completeness. 14. Check references. Please check Chat GPT's output for valid references and citations. 15. Use AI responsibly. Remember, Chat GPT is an AI application, but it's your responsibility to use it responsibly and ethically.